Alright, came in because my forks are a little loud. Sketchy as shit. Gonna get kind of just fix up the front. Took off the top fucking nut there, and we got grossness in there. So we got the tools. We're gonna, where is it? Over here. Got this fancy guy. And we're gonna take off that top there and see what's in there. Get it all sorted. Let's see what the hell's going on in there. It's pretty nasty, so at least we can get in there. We'll have a look, see what's up. I'm gonna clean all this shit off. I'll be back. So Tatro says that we gotta put 5 ounces?
I'll just put it all in there before.
Each?
I only got 1 bottle. So.
Alright, well then it's gonna be half and half.
You know, if it's too much, it just will be salty. It'll be hard. It's not leak out anyway.
Alright, that's it? Just pour it in there, huh?
Pour it in there. Probably use a funnel knife though.
Fuck funnels.
Okay. Look what happens, though. Don't make it uneven. It won't be.
Oh wait, yeah, no. Yeah, let's use a funnel.
Yeah, don't
We'll be right back. Funnel. So let's see. Not even. Here we go. That'll work. This shit is fucking thick. Look at that. Takes forever. About 4 ounces in there. Good measure. There we go. Man, this shit barely moves. Look at that. Molasses is faster. Wait for all that shit to go in. And then we'll close it up and start the other one. With this fancy tool. Shit. As simple as that. So, put the other one on, take a look inside and see what the fuck is going on. We'll be back. So, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you what happens when you overfill your your forks, you get little spillage, little,
Why are you squirting out the top?
because I put too much in there.
Yeah, well, why shouldn't it become a house?
Yeah, because there's a hole there. There's a vent hole.
A manhole.
Hey, what are you doing to my rug? Get that thing out of here. Quit squirting it.
See, like that's perfect for like when you if I had a front brake and I didn't like people next to me.
Yeah.
Just hit the brakes and squirt oil at them.
So when you look up dumb eyes in the fucking Wikipedia,
Basically, you're
his
like
picture
a
comes out.
007.
Yeah,
James
it's
Bond shit.
I have a James Bond bike now.
Okay. Don't squirt no more. I'm tired of cleaning up my mess. You gotta clean this floor up now. Why does it only come out one side?
Because I didn't overfill the other side.
What'd you put What'd you put the whole quart one side and nothing on the other?
No, I think this one just had more residual left in it.
It has some tools in there. Okay.
Left tools in there.
All right. Whatever.
Okay, I need to pop these caps off.
You're making more mess. You're making messes on my floor. Look at that.
No, rub it in.
Look, it came all over the place. It came all over my floor. Ah, jeez.
Here, let me clean that up for you.
What a mess.
Plugs. You want to look at the plugs real quick?
Where the plug's at?
Right here.
What
We're
it look like?
gonna use pop these caps off. Tatro.
What's this mess over here? What? What?
Pop these dust caps off.
Hammer.
Hammer. Yeah, but I don't want to use the wrong hammer.
Screwdriver and hammer things you got use for those.
What are you looking at?
I don't know. Walker?
What? Which bucket?
See, first
the
thing,
bucket's right there.
First thing, this is
it's hiding
falling
under
off.
the camera bag.
This is
Yeah.
falling off. It's got no lights, you can't see nothing. There, now get a light. So plugs look like you, nice and black.
It's racist.
So I think you run a little rich. Oh, you got these weird plugs in there too. Those really hot ones for oil burners. So you're definitely running fat. So maybe we should try dropping the clip on that needle in there and go back down to lean and see how it comes.
I mean, I did lean it up.
How much mileage you getting?
I don't know. I haven't checked yet. I filled it up right now, so.
3 blocks and you're empty again? Yeah, might be too much.
Yeah, I filled it up just now before I came down.
Alright.
Let's see.
So tomorrow you can try leaning out the carburetor and again
I mean, we can do that right now.
and see how it runs.
You're gonna be shooting oil all over everybody.
It's gonna go all over you. Oh, there's a question about your air cleaner.
Oh, my lack thereof.
They thought it might have been a little bit too low of restriction.
I don't like being restricted.
I don't see a problem with that being a little bit unrestricted. As long as it's a pigeon, you have no problem. Parakeet, you got a problem. So watch out for low flying birds.
Low flying birds.
And
Yeah,
that-
the bird deflector, right?
Then other than that, you're good to go. And cats are okay if they jump in there, that'd be fine.
Fuck cats.
We don't care about those. See, on my bike, I put a big velocity stack on there, so the big bird will go in there and then it'll suck through it.
Suck, squeeze, bend, and blow.
Yours is just going to hit it and bounce off. See?
Probably.
Walker's going to blow up something out there. I think it's breaking it. What's wrong?
Doesn't sound happy.
Yeah, what'd you do to it?
What?
Look at the back about a half a turn or something.
Half a turn?
I don't know, you have to count it. You had it too lean.
Still too lean?
No, you had it too lean.
way leans it out. Turning that way fattens it up.
Yep.
Cool. Sound alright?
Sound really good. Got too fat. Happy there. Really happy right there. Don't like it down here so much.
Sounds happy there.
Yeah. Look at this out right now there. It's warming up and wants more or less fuel. Need that one more. It warms up and wants less fuel. Too far. Too far. Kind of back where it was, it's warmed up.
Huh.
You got the count to it without that.
Alright.
Half, one and a quarter. 1.5 right there.
1.5?
1.5 right now. It's getting hotter. The hotter it gets, the more I want less fuel. Last night was, 50 degrees out.
Yeah, it's cold.
They wanted more fuel.
Yeah.
It's warmed up like now. It's, it's in the high 50s right now. It's not as much, but the motor's warming up too.
Yeah. Alright.
Go right it. Hi, Danny. How's it going? Tomorrow you can need some more oil. Tomorrow you have to put some more oil in there. It'll be all blown out.
Yeah.
Self-leveling. Oh well. He's having fun. All right.